Hello, Anselm Griffin here again with another YouTube tutorial in MATLAB and ThingSpeak. Today is the 13th of April 2020 and this is video number 252, and we're looking at communicating with a ThingSpeak channel with URL and our Postman using HTTP requests, and apologies for spelling assumptions wrong. So we're just going to crack on with it here. So I assume you have the ThingSpeak channel set up. I assume you have Postman installed. If not, there it is. And I also assume that you know how to get these three keys here. The only one we're looking at today is the user API key, and that's in Accounts, My Profile. Now, I'm going to change these keys after this is finished on grounds of privacy. So first thing up is get just a simple get command using HTTP. So there's the source of where I took it from if you want to look it up yourself. I pasted that command into the browser, and just to note that you have to put in the HTTPS : it just abridged there, and there is the details for one of my channels. That's Thursday, March 5B. And it gave me the field contents, etc., and whether the public flag was true or false, etc. There's where I did it in Postman. You just drop down there, select the relevant verb, which is get. Type that in. My channel number is 101.08.16.json, so you want to get the response in a JSON format. Just press go. I can't show you Postman here now, and there's the response there, and it just gave me the same values, a bit more readable than the browser version there. Another example, all public channels in ThingSpeak. Now obviously there's hundreds and thousands of them, so you can't show them all. There's the source. There it is in the browser version. So I just copied and pasted that line into my browser. And remember again, just when the browser returns I'm in Google Chrome, it drops the HTTPS bit, but you have to put that in. There it is in Postman. There's the relevant verb, get. When I ran that, I just did a screen grab, excuse me for that little croak. 200 OK is saying that the response was carried out. OK, there was no errors. And then you see I only showed a bit of them, but there was hundreds and hundreds of them there. And now finally we want to use Postman to write. So there's the source there that I bought there if you want to look it up yourself. And just 1 second, just to get that to scroll down. There's my channel before. It was called Thursday, March 5B. That's channel 101.08.16. Drop down verb. I posted that in, and the reason why that's there, that black line is there, I put in these key values, and when I hit the send there, it tagged on those keys into there, but I did not, from the black line on, I didn't type them on. All I did was https api.thingspeak.com channels. So what I'm doing here is I'm changing the name excuse me, to March 5C. I'm changing field 1 to stuff, and I'm making the public flag true, which it is already. There's the Postman response. You can see there just about. I don't know if you can see that on screen. Just blow that up a little bit. The name is March 5C, okay, etc. And then if I just show you the ThingSpeak channel, if you remember before it was Thursday, March 5B, there it is Thursday, March 5C. And just to show you that the field worked, the field 1 was now changed stuff that's highlighted there. Okay, so hope that helps a little, and thanks very much for listening.